Which of the following is a collective noun? A. Book. B. Team. C. City. D. Happiness.
Correct answer.
B. Team.
Choose the correct plural form of child. A. Childs. B. Children. C. Childs. D. Children's.
Correct answer.
B. Children. Identify the uncountable noun in the list. A. Table. B. Advice. C. Dog. D. Idea.
Correct answer.
Advice.
She did the homework, dash. A. Herself. B. Her. C. Hers. D. She.
Correct answer.
A. Herself. This is dash book. It belongs to me. A. My. B. Mine. C. Me. D. I.
Correct answer.
My.
Choose the correct comparative form of beautiful. A. Beautifuler. B. More beautiful. C. Most beautiful. D. Beautifulest.
Correct answer.
More beautiful. She blank to the market every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Is going. D. Has gone.
Correct answer.
Goes. He is the boy in the class. A. Tall. B. Taller. C. Tallest. D. Most tall.
Correct answer.
C. Tallest. They blank TV when I called. A. Watch. B. Watched. C. Were watching. D. Have watched.
Correct answer.
C. Were watching.
He runs very blank. A. Quick. B. Quickly. C. Quickness. D. More quick. Correct answer. Quickly. Which adverb tells how often? A. Here. B. Very. C. Never. D. Slowly. Correct answer.
C. Never.
The cat is sitting blank the table. A. On. B. In. C. At. D. By. Correct answer.
A. On.
She will meet me blank 5 o'clock. A. On. B. In. C. At. D. By. Correct answer.
C. At.
I like tea blank coffee. A. And. B. But. C. Because. D. So. Correct answer. B. But.